Starting a new sketchbook. Feeling so excited.
Woo!
And nervous for the first page. Let's see what's gonna happen. The color of page is slightly light. The texture is so different. So confused for first page. Let's start it. Am I the only one who have phobia of first page? I am using these colors charts, giving them some shapes by scissors. So here is the shapes. Placing these accord to my will. So, I am going to write something in this space. Using my fave highlighter markers. Fill and decor as you want. I was using all these highlighters. Now I am going to write something for my new sketchbook. Next thing is to highlight it with highlighters. Our next focus.